Hi all. If you're planning a trip to Pondicherry, don't miss Paradise Beach. It's truly one of a kind. Soft white sand, crystal blue water, and the kind of a natural beauty that instantly puts you at peace. It's a perfect spot to enjoy time with your family and friends. And honestly, a must visit when you are in Pondicherry. So, how do you go there? Your gateway to the Paradise Beach is a Chunamba boat house. Once you reach the boat house, you will find an entry ticket. It is 10 for adults and kids entry for free. After that, head over to the ferry counters to buy your ferry ticket. Now here you can see we are walking a long way. Maybe it takes around 5 minutes to walk over to reach the ferry counter where you can buy the ticket. Even the entry was so beautiful, and it was morning, early morning. We can see that many, I mean, the nature was very beautiful. I mean, the tree full of trees and birds, and the weather was awesome. And then here there's something important to say. You may have to wait for around 10 to 15 minutes until enough people gather for a ferry to start. The ferry ride itself takes about 15 minutes to reach the Paradise Beach, and the same duration to return. But if you if you're short of time, there's a faster option. You can choose a speedboat, which can cost around 2,800 for a three-seater. Uh, but when you see the ferry boat ride where 10 to 15 people are going to gather, that's a much lower cost when compared to a speedboat. But if you really have a time constraint and you need to catch a flight or something like that, then the better option is to go by a speedboat. But if you would like to enjoy the nature and all that, okay, it's better to go by the boat ride. Now we see we are nearly walking to the counter, and not much people were there as it was early morning, and we were almost the first one to reach over there. Uh, so we're just walking, and here we can see a couple of dogs here and there, very friendly. Then there's a counter where we have reached, and you can see there are many kinds of boats which were there out there. For the first time I have seen so many kinds of boats. And the speedboat which was driven, he was the owner of the boat, and he drove it very well. We also had our very pleasure time over there. Here we can see the rates. And there's a counter, and over there we can see the boats. We have here taken the ticket. Now it's our time to ride. We are just waiting for the boat to come, the speedboat to come. We just waited for a couple of minutes or 5 minutes or so. So here we paid around 2,800 for a three-seater boat. When we visited Pondicherry, we had a flight to catch from Chennai the same afternoon. So the speedboat was a lifesaver for us. It cut down our travel time by more than half, just 7 minutes to beach and 7 minutes back. If you want more time on beach, definitely go for a speedboat. But if you love enjoying a slow scenic boat ride, the regular ferry is perfect and also more budget friendly. So this is the boat I was talking about. It's a speedboat. The ride was crazy, literally crazy. We all enjoyed it. I mean, I never had such an experience in my complete lifetime. It was really awesome, and at the same time scary, because I had both my kids with me, though we had life jackets, and it was the first time experience for us to go on a speedboat. Well, the ride went very smooth, and he has perfectly driven it. And the water, the greenery, it was really crazy. I mean, it is a must experience, one time or whatever it is a must experience thing that you need to go through at least once in a lifetime. No doubt Pondicherry is a beautiful scenic place. It's the I need to say, the nature is wonderful over there. You need to experience it. It's a must visit place. We actually reached the Paradise Beach around 10 a.m. Uh, since the speedboat got us there early, we were among the first arrivals. The kids really had a very good time. They enjoyed it like crazy. Even the speedboat, the beach, and they did not actually like to come back from the beach. Here, if you can see, the steering is just a dummy one. But when you go for such boat rides, make sure that there is a life jacket in place and everyone is wearing it. Great experience, great experience. Now here is a beautiful scenic Pondicherry's Paradise Beach, white sand, blue sky, blue water, all meeting at one place. So scenic. Nature is so beautiful, and that's what I said. Like it's a one-time experience, at least a one-time experience in lifetime. You must need to visit Paradise Beach. Here you can see we are heading back to the same speedboat. This boat was waiting for us for the all time at the Paradise Beach. We were almost there for 1.5 hour or 1 hour at the Paradise Beach. It was the same boat which we have taken from Chunamba Boathouse to Paradise Beach. We're getting back to the Chunamba Boathouse again from the Paradise Beach. Thanks for watching the complete video. Hope your family also has a great time at Paradise Beach. Please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Please do hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.